This is the video for the Knapsack game. Here in the blue note box it says the goal is to maximize the value of the items in your knapsack. Each of the 96 items has a weight in ounces and a value per ounce. Its total value is ounces times value per ounce. Down here we see there are 96 items, and the first one weighs 1 ounce and the last one is 96 ounces. First one's value per ounce is 159, so its value is 159. But down here, item 96, which has a value of 113, its total value is 96 times 113. The total weight of the items in the knapsack cannot exceed 800 ounces. The total weight and value is shown. Well, down here is the total weight and the value, and here's the maximum of 800. To place an item into the knapsack, click on its data, weight, or value. To remove it, re-click its data. Well, I'm going to click on an item that has a high value per ounce, and that is number 10. And here it put its weight of 10, and its value is 10 times 198, or 1980. When an item is in the knapsack, it is brown highlighted, as we see. You should be able to get to the maximum weight. That's the 800. There are 100 different games, and here's where the game number is entered. This is game 0, and you can go up to game 99. Click Next. If you click on the Click to Toggle Answer box, the program solution to the problem will be shown. Alright, well here the box is. I will click on it. There it shows the program's answer, and it got to the 800 ounces, and it says its total value is 151,587. And here the purple boxes mark the item, and notice the one I picked down here, number 10, at 198 per ounce, is in the program solution too. We go on. A box will be placed after an item's data if the item is in the program solution. Well, we see the purple boxes. The program uses dynamic programming and branch and bound to find the solution for the knapsack problem. And you can go and look at the program and see how it does it. If you click on the brown box, you can toggle between games and files. There are 20 files. They're numbered 0 to 19. Well, let's do that. We're going to click the toggle to the files. You can create your own knapsack problem and have it stored in the browser's local storage. Then you can reload your problem's data at some time in the future, because it's stored on your hard drive. Alright, we go to Next. Enter the weight of each item and the value of each item. This is not a per weight value. Remember, in the games, the value was per ounce, and it was so many ounces. Well, here, it's value of the item. Only items with a weight and value will be used. They'll be highlighted. Enter the maximum weight, 10 to 1,000. Well, here we get to enter the maximum. If a solution for the maximum weight cannot be found, it will show a No Maximum Found box. Click on the values orange box to enter the value. All the values should be integers. Well, I'm going to go to file number 1. Here's file number 1. Here it shows all the items in it, and then it shows how the answer that the program got marked with the purple boxes. Alright, this is the knapsack game. Now up here in the red stripe, I'm going to click on Program. Here is the main program for the knapsack problem. Over here on this side, in the blue boxes, is execute the application, save the application. That is, you can change it and save it. You can create a new application, you can create a new subprogram, and the rest of these boxes are for copying instructions from one program to another or from one application to another. Below here are the brown boxes that have tools for this P code to be used while you're programming. Below that, there are a list of videos that will tell you how to create and save and copy things and make changes and build an actual HTML file for your application. Below that, there is an app that has examples of the actions in this P code. Over here, this first column for each has the instructions action that will be taken. Then below that, there's a list of HTML5 P code YouTube videos about instructions and values and text and green lines, which is copying things, comments and so forth. Things you need to know about this P code. Now I'm going to go back to running the program again. I'm going to execute the application, and here we're back where we were. On the bottom here it says Start App, and it has letters A through T. On the other screen it talked about saving your application, and you could have saved it to one of these letters and then come here and run it. You can in fact change the knapsack program, save it to one of these letters, and then come here and load it at any time because it'll be saved on your hard drive in the browser's local storage. Below this is a list of HTML5 P code apps. This list gets added to every week. And this is the end of the video about the knapsack game.